Right now, your message traveled through dozens of routers, got broken into hundreds of packets, and reassembled perfectly in under 100 milliseconds. How? Most developers use the internet every day but can't answer. What actually happens when you type a URL? Why does a request sometimes fail? What's a packet? What's a port? Welcome to Computer Networks, a course that traces every request from your keyboard all the way to the server and back. You'll learn how the internet works, how data travels in packets, how IP addresses and routing work, how TCP and UDP differ, and how HTTPS keeps your data secure, the complete picture. Networks aren't just infrastructure. They're the foundation of every app you build. Debug faster, architect smarter, and stop guessing why things break. Every request has a story. Let's trace it, starting now.